we had seen how we can make a PCB layout or a part that is not present by default in Proteus. So here we have the PCB layout of the node MCU of the part node MCU V3 that we had designed. So now, in order to add a CAD model, first I'll show you that when we go to the 3D visualizer and view the part in 3D visualizer, we can see a normal geometric shape which represents the part. But in order to visualize the actual component, we have to manually add a 3D CAD model. So for that, we have this website which is named as GrabCAD community. Over here, we can access to various designs from designers all over the world. So over here, I will just type the part that I want to search. So right now I want the ESP8266. We have various ESPs over here. We have the SIM 800, we have the ESP32 and so on. But the one that I need is the Node MCU ESP8266. So let's see. So when selecting a design, we have to make sure that the design is of the step IGES format. So this one is of step IGES format, but it's not ESP8266. So we'll narrow down our search. In the search menu, we'll type ESP8266. So here we have various designs. So this one has the step IGES format over with them. So we'll just click on this. So in order to download the step IGES file, I will see the files that are present over here. Uh, Before downloading, you have to log into your account using Facebook or Gmail. Now we can see the various formats present. So what we need is the step format, STEP format. So I'll download this one, download the file. So once this file is downloaded, we can access this file from the Proteus and add it to our component. So in the next video, I'll show you how we can add this file to our component in Proteus. So fellas, stay tuned.